Wow, this is a really good box. I'm freaking out about this. I just love everything. And this looks so good. I don't know how to say this. This box is the best. I love this stuff. I wanted one of these for so long. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the summer Fabfitfun box. I'm so excited. I've already kind of just sneak peek opened it and I can't wait to dive into it with you. But before we get started, I just want to say don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Life of Laura-Lee. All of my links are down below, as well as don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you will know every single time I upload a video. So let's begin. I just want to say that I really had a change of heart with Fabfitfun. It wasn't that I didn't like them or anything, but obviously spending $40, $50 every few months for stuff is like, you know, you gotta weigh out the pros and cons. And I think it was the last box I talked about how that was possibly gonna be my my last box that I ever ordered with them. And when I opened the box, I actually received this candle. And if you watched that video, I thought that like it looked really empty and that it was just not a very full candle. And somebody from Fabfitfun actually watched my video and reached out and they sent me a brand new candle. So after that, I am sold. I love Fabfitfun. I loved them before, but again, you know, sometimes you think, do I really need this stuff? The products in here are products that you are going to be paying more than even the box is worth for one product, and that's totally worth it. And I think they curate their boxes so thoughtfully that I really think that if you are someone like me that likes to try different things, that this is totally worth the investment, the $50, $60 that you're gonna pay. So I just wanna say as well, their customer service is amazing. I will be a loyal customer. I think that it was amazing. They went the extra mile and just really showed me that I was a valued customer. Also, if you want your own Fabfitfun box, I will have a link down below to get you $10 off your first box. Just want to say that. So let's actually get into the box. The package is so beautiful. I just have to say that right off the bat, they did a beautiful job. And this is what the inside looks like. So we have this little Fabfitfun postcard and the magazine, which lets me know the prices of everything. So this time I actually did go on and pick some of the options that I wanted. So I do know some of the stuff, and I've seen so many spoilers, so I pretty much know everything that's in here. But it came with this really cute little strawberry sticker, which I already opened. And right away, I don't know, but this looks, whoops, this looks good. This looks so good. Where do we begin? Okay, so this fell out first, and I know what this is, and I'm freaking out about this because I wanted one of these for so long. For real, I have wanted one of these. This is the Foreo little exfoliator scrubby thing. Now this says it's a new one. So it says it's a Smart Beauty Coach facial cleansing brush, and it has a picture of a phone on it. So I'm gonna read. This is the Foreo Luna Fofo. Guess what? You're one of the first to get your hands on the newest revolutionary device. It is powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched app. Okay, so this must connect to an app, which is so cool. I'm like actually freaking out about this. I love it, and I love the pink. And this is worth $89. Wow, this is a really good box. I'm just gonna say this is by far my favorite box. The next I see this Pier 1. Oh, cute. It is a marble ring dish from Pier 1. That's really cute. And this is $14.99. Place it near the kitchen sink so you can take off your rings before doing the dishes. That's a nice idea. I have never thought about doing that. That's a great idea. Okay, this is what I'm also so excited about. The full-size Tarteist Pro Glow. If you've watched any of my makeup videos, you know for years I have used the Hardy's Pro Glow to go, so the little palette. And I'm so happy to have the full size, and I'm out of highlighter. Wow. That, so this is a cream, and then this is a powder, and I'm guessing that these are all highlighters. Some of them are darker, but I could see these as beautiful eyeshadows. Man, that is absolutely, ooh, oh my gosh. And this alone, I mean, I think this alone pays for the box. Yeah, 45 bucks. And this one I chose, this is the, I don't know how to say this, Earth 2YO. Okay, Earth 2YO ring. This 14 gold-plated ring features 2 naturally cultured freshwater pearls. And this is $55. Oh my gosh! I didn't realize it was real pearls. It is beautiful. That is really beautiful. I have a little ring on right now. Take that off. Beautiful. I really love that. And it doesn't feel like you're wearing anything. Oh my gosh, I really, really love that. Oh my, this box is the best. I'm gonna pull this out because I'm so excited I chose this. It is the Yumi Kim Makeup Train Case, and I got this one in the floral one. This is worth $58. Oh, I love the material. It stays nice and clean. So it has a good size like opening or compartment to put all my makeup. So I think on the ad that I've seen is this is the makeup area, and then you can put the brushes on top, which I love that idea. Yeah, like look at that. Oh, a gift for you, $50. Oh, off a purchase of $200. Yeah, I don't know if that'll happen. Next here I see, oh, this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. So I'm guessing that this is partnered with the Wildlife Society. I guess that this is a reusable straw. Well, it's a paper straw. So that's nice, that's cool. I like straws. Okay, 3 more products. Oh yes, this is Kula Classic Sunscreen, and this is for your face. Definitely need this for the summer. I'm so excited. This is cruelty-free, farm-to-face, TSA approved, and it's water resistant. And I have 2 trips coming up, and I'm in need of this. And this is White Tea Moisturizer Classic Sunscreen, and it's organic. Let's smell. This smells so good. Oh my gosh, how adorable. This, I just love everything. I am so happy. I love this stuff. This is worth $32. Oh my gosh, this is just like the bomb. This, I've seen this. Orlando Pita Play. This is Atmos Shield Hair Protecting Spray for damp or dry hair. And it's the ultimate preheat styling spray with 10 incredible benefits. This is amazing, and you can also spray this when you're going to go outside in the sun to protect your hair, and it just helps lock in the moisture and keep your hair fresh. I noticed that in the summer a lot of times my ends get kind of dead, and it's because I'm curling my hair as well as I'm out in the sun and I'm blow drying and I'm doing all these things, and it just needs that extra protection, and this is amazing. And it smells so good. It smells like something that I can't put my finger on, but it smells so nice. And honestly, some of the best hair products that I have gotten have been from the Fabfitfun box. So I'm so happy to be trying this out. And the last product in my box, is this Vasanti Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator. And this, I've never heard of. This says, get glowing skin, use this exfoliator cleanser. It gently formulated effectively to remove dead skin cells and reveal smooth, even complexion. So this can be used 3 to 5 times. I've also gotten the best exfoliators from the Fabfitfun box. So I should never purchase exfoliators because I know that I'm gonna get some. I love this. This is amazing. And this is $29 and this was $34. So all of those products for this one box, so the total value of the box is anywhere between $321.99 and $367.99 US dollars. This was a fabulous box. Thank you so much, Fabfitfun, and thank you for resending me that candle. That was so amazing. I am now like 100% a loyal customer. Don't forget that if you want your own Fabfitfun box, I have a link down below that you can get $10 off your first box. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you again for another video. Bye!